Hey guys, drdecks here. Welcome to our channel. Thanks for coming. Today we're going to talk about some new deck boards that are being put out by TimberTech. It's a product called AZEK, and it's their landmark collection. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, so you'll see on this product, it has a double grain in it. So it has kind of like a standard embossed grain going directional, and then it kind of flips back the other way. So there's one embossment, but then they've also put a cross cut grain in it as well. So it looks like a resaw or barnwood or something like that. The reason I like this idea is because it's gonna minimize your scratches. If you drag something across your deck, some PVC boards or composites, you can scratch it real easy. This board's gonna have a tendency to wanna hide a lot of that because of all the vertical grain in it. It's AZEK's premium PVC line. They're putting a 50-year warranty on it. And I primarily use AZEK PVC decking. You can use Cortex plugs with it. That's what we're doing on our current deck build. This color is called Boardwalk. It's one of the lightest colors, so it's gonna stay light on your feet and not so much heat. So if you're barefoot on this deck in the summer, in the hot summer, it's gonna probably be bearable to walk on compared to some of the other ones on the market. And we're accenting that in a color called Castlegate. So it has the same grain pattern and texture, just different colors. So we have a dark border color in the Castlegate, and then the field is done in the Boardwalk. So we really like so far how this is turning out, but I just thought I'd share that. I think there's a French white oak and one other color, which I can't remember at the top of my head, that are gonna be in this collection. You can always go to timbertech.com and check out their AZEK line and find the landmark collection and see all the colors that are available to you, as well as their other vintage and other collections as well. But for today, I just wanted to go over that with you guys because that's what we're installing. All right, guys, so we came up on the deck. Just wanted to show you the two colors installed and show you what they look like in contrast on a larger section. So right here, we have the Castlegate on the border and then the Boardwalk as the field. Everything's been face screwed, so we still have to put in our Cortex plugs, which I don't know, if you follow our channel, you probably know what those are. They're basically just color match, texture match plugs that we put in once we have finished screwing off the deck. We're waiting on those. They're being shipped, so we'll have those here in a couple days, and then probably on our next build update, I'll have all the plugs in, I'm hoping, fingers crossed. And then we'll show you what this looks like clean. So we're ready for the plugs. This whole side of the deck's been installed. It's been face screwed, 12 inches on center, double screwed every board, and it's ready for finish for the plugs. And then this section will be complete. So that's kind of the look we're going for. We're gonna have a dark border all the way around, all sides. We have not cut this side in. We haven't finished some of the screws. We're still in construction. That's just a little bit of what this looks like on a larger scale. So I hope that helps somebody out a little bit and gives you an idea of why we're using this type of decking. Client chose it, fell in love with it, really like that barnwood texture. So that's what we're going with. Customer's always right, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.